Hi everyone, today's lesson is about scalar and factor quantity. So, scalar versus factor. Scalar is only amount. Factor is amount plus direction. For example, for scalar quantity, there is distance, which means, for example, if a person ran 5 kilometers to the east and came back 2 kilometers to the west, then the total distance will be only the amount that the person traveled. So it's 5 plus 2. 7 kilometers will be the distance. However, for factor quantity, there's concept of displacement. Displacement is, for example, if a person traveled 10 kilometers and came back 5 kilometers, the distance will be 15 kilometers. However, the displacement is factor quantity, so it has amount and direction of how the person traveled. In this case, the person traveled only this amount. Because the person came back 5 kilometers after going 10 kilometers. So it will be 10 minus 5, which is 5 kilometers of displacement. Let's look at another example. For example, a person traveled in the way like this. The person's initial point is here, and final point is here. The distance will be the black line, which is the total distance the person traveled. However, the displacement will be just from the initial point of the person traveled to the final point. The displacement will be the shortest distance from initial point to final point. For another example, there's speed for scalar and there's velocity for the vector quantity. Speed is distance over time. Velocity, however, is displacement over time. So in this case, let's say a person is running through as 5 meters per second. Then the speed will be just 5 meters per second. However, for velocity, it will be 5 meters per second to the east because velocity has direction. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.